So here we have it. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra finally here, and I am very excited. So here we go. Opening the case up. And there's that beauty right there. And they give you a little tab where you can just pop it open like that. We'll set the phone aside real quick. We'll just see what else is included. And that's the bottom of the box. Right here, we should have a charging cable, which is just a typical charging cable. It's pretty much the same one that you got if you got a S21. So here we go. This is the phone. Very nice, very beautiful. We're gonna peel off this back part here. And I got the green. Look at that color. That is a nice green color. It's like a forest green almost. Very, very nice. Now this back is a glass. And I was kind of worried about that, but I love the paint that's on it. It's just so nice, and it's kind of interesting. You put your hands across it and it leaves a mark and dissipates. So here is the camera module. You can see that it is lifted a little bit. That's probably maybe a couple millimeters at most above the surface. We're still obviously gonna want to use our camera screen protector, and we're gonna obviously put this in the case that we got. So on the bottom here, you can see the pen. It just comes right out with a click, and there you go. So this is the same pen that was with the Samsung Galaxy S21, except now it's integrated, which is very nice. Oh, it's got a little click to it as well, which is very interesting, I must say. So at the bottom here, you can see that we have a speaker. There is our USB-C port. Looks like there is a microphone right beside it. And then, of course, your SIM card slot. Over on the other side, we have an interesting little feature here. I'm not sure exactly what is right here, but there you can kind of see it, but not too much. So we're not going to take off the film right away on top because I want to put the screen protector on without putting my fingerprints on. And then of course we have our rockers over here. And there's our power button, and then our volume rocker. And of course at the top we also have another microphone port. And I must say, I like the design. My only problem is, if you're going to use this phone without a phone case, you're going to be holding it most likely like this, and that corner right there is going to be jabbing into your palm non-stop. I don't like that, so I would highly recommend, if you want to put a phone case on this phone, do it. Do not use it without it, because long periods of time holding the phone like this is not going to be very fun. So definitely make sure that you put your phone case on. I have mine right here. Again, this is the Damn Glide Hybrid. VRS Design makes it. And let's see how this fits in there. Oh yeah, that feels much better to hold into your hand. Now this phone is a 512 gig. I got the forest green, and since it's over 128 gigs, it is the 12 gigabyte version. The screen is a 6.8 AMOLED screen. It does have a little tiny curve, but once you put your phone case on, you really don't notice the curve much at all. Now, the nit brightness of the screen is 1750, so it's very, very nice, and the phone runs on Android 12 OS, and you're going to be good for the next 4 generations of OS, so you should be pretty happy about that. You really don't need to get an upgrade for 4 years if you don't want to. But, you know how people are. We're most likely going to get our upgrades regardless. Once we boot up into Samsung, you can definitely see the clarity and the crispness of the screen. Really enjoy it. So I am one that likes to turn on eye comfort. But overall, you can see it's the same Samsung layout as always. You got all your bloatware on the Samsung Galaxy. And what I do with most of these apps, I'll just throw them in their own little bubble with 10,000 different ones, because I'm most likely never going to use them, or if I use them, it's not going to be very often. I want to see if we take out the pencil or the pen, if it does. Hello! It says hello. Oh, cool. So we get to select different things, it looks like, which is pretty cool and nifty. So S Pen to text, air actions. I think that's taking photos when you're far away, so that's pretty cool. And then of course you have a whole bunch of other things such as that, and I really like to use the pen on the S21. It was just a nuisance carrying it around all the time, because as a real estate agent, we can use the pen quite often to do a lot of different things, and this is one of those for sure. Like I said, this is just an unboxing and a first look. Let me get into some music real quick.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's a knife for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank.
And this isn't all the way up.
But the Mariona
This is the match sound.
like the thunder. I was on my way.
Is there any beat drop? Oh, here it comes. I like it. I like the sound in this phone. I'm not sure if the phone case does anything with the sound, but it is a lot louder than the S21 Ultra, I must say. It could be that it's just a different kind of spec. So one thing we will get into later is we will check out the photos and the video and all that different stuff. So anyways, guys, this phone is monster. It's a beast. It is a little heavier, I must say, than the S21. Actually, it's a lot heavier. There's no comparison to how much heavier this phone is. This thing actually feels like it weighs a ton. It feels like a tank. There's not too much difference, so I don't know if it really is bigger or if it's just because it's a square compared to a rounder phone. And obviously there's the camera modules on each side, so it looks like it's about the same design. It's just that it doesn't have the huge block coming out of the phone. So yes, there is definitely a weight difference. It's going to be interesting to see how much there's a difference with the sound and also the picture quality. So as you can see up top, there looks like there's 2 microphones for the S21, whereas the S22 just has 1. If you want to see more videos of tests on this phone, please like, subscribe, comment. We're going to do multiple things just like we did for the S21 Ultra. So I hope you guys are ready for this journey. Take care of yourself, take it easy, and bye-bye.